Okay, we're going to do another day of U substitution in 7.2.3. We are not going to go over the definite integral portion. We're just going to go over more practice for U substitution. So we are going to evaluate this integral using U substitution. Which one is the starting equation? This one or this one. Since our power is to the fourth, we're going to start off with that as our U. So I'll say U is equal to 3/2 x to the fourth minus 3x. And I'm going to take the derivative of this with respect to x. The 4 will go down, so we'll end up getting 2. This is 6x cubed minus 3. And then we're going to switch these. So we're solving for dx. So du equals dx 6x cubed minus 3. And right now, I'm going to go ahead and factor out a 3 out of both of these. So this is actually saying 3 2x cubed minus 1. The reason why I have that is because these are going to cancel out once I substitute it back in. So let's go ahead and write down. This turns into u, so we'll say this is u to the fifth. And then we'll have our 2x cubed minus 1. Dx is being replaced with this term. So this is du over 3 2x cubed minus 1. These are going to cancel out, leaving us with the integral of 1/3 u to the fifth du. The antiderivative of u to the fifth is u to the sixth. And then we need to multiply this by a sixth, so which is also being multiplied by a third, which gives us the 1/18. U is now going to be replaced with our original function, 3/2 x to the fourth minus 3x to the sixth plus c. Okay, we're going to do one more example of this, and then I'm going to ask you to do these 3 on your own. So let's do A. So we have our function 5x cubed. If we take the derivative of that, turns into x squared, so we'll go ahead and say that is our u sub. We'll take the derivative with respect to x, and then we'll solve for dx. We're going to substitute for dx. We're going to substitute for u. These will cancel out, leaving us with 6 over 15. Both are divisible by 3, so this is 2 over 5. The antiderivative of sine is cosine, but we need to have a negative cosine turns into positive sine. So this is going to be negative 2/5 cosine of 5x cubed plus c. All right, so why don't you go ahead and pause it now and then do B, C, and D, and then I will show you my solutions. So go ahead and pause it. Okay, and here are the first two. And here's the last one. D is a little bit complex. I'll look forward to our conversation later tomorrow to discuss. Specifically, when I originally tried D, I thought that my u sub was just going to be x to the fourth minus 3, but you're going to have to say that it's going to be the cosine of x to the fourth minus 3, because the cosine is being raised to the fifth power. And the derivative of cosine turns into sine, the derivative of sine turns into, or the derivative of the inside, the chain rule, the derivative of x to the fourth is x cubed. So if you said that the original u sub was just x to the fourth minus 3, you'll end up having the integral of sine of x to the fourth minus 3 and cosine of x to the fourth minus 3, which will mess things up. Here is your assignment. It's just going to be 2 problems, not the first one. So you're actually just going to do that. All right, I will see you guys later.